This video will demonstrate how to restring an acoustic guitar. If you have a broken string, pop the pin at the bridge and pull it right out. To add your new string, feed the circled end of the string into the corresponding hole, pushing the peg in with it. Thread the other end of the string through the nut and into the eye of the tuner at the head. Wrap around the outside, coming back and underneath. Then wrap over and secure tightly. Begin cranking the tuning peg counterclockwise. Using a peg winder will make this easier. Use wire cutters to snip off the excess string. Now, get to practice.